It's a great day at Wolf GMC Buick. We're conveniently located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2023 GMC Sierra 3500 Denali HD. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Denali. Driver's door has power door locks, a programmable memory seat for up to 2 drivers, power windows, power folding and power extending side mirrors, the child lock button, door storage with a cup holder, and you'll notice the Sierra comes with a premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel is trailer mode. By turning this dial to the right, we have various drive modes appear on the dash. 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive, some lighting controls and dials including automatic headlamps, an electric park brake down below. The floor mats on the floor have a removable carpeted insert, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, jet black leather interior, Denali embroidery in both headrests with a power sunroof overhead. Next, I'm going to hop in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. The left side having our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, and to the right are the audio and Bluetooth controls. This is our driver information center. We're able to cycle through the dash using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead, a programmable garage door opener, power sunroof buttons, rear window slider, and OnStar. This is GMC's infotainment center equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It has Wi-Fi capabilities. It's also equipped with a trailering app. Navigation down below, those are our shortcut buttons. And this screen also doubles as our backup camera. We're able to change the camera view by simply pushing those buttons there at the bottom of the screen. The hard buttons for our infotainment screen are also down below. Dual zone climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated and ventilated front leather seats, the exhaust brake, lane departure warning, park assist, tailgate release, hazard lights, traction control, hill descent control, the integrated trailer brake controller, some USB ports, and a power plug-in. This is our wireless charging pad. Place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. No slip matting, dual cup holders, and last we'll take a peek in the center console where you'll find some additional USB ports and plug-ins, LED lighting, and the center console safe. Starting at the front of the Denali, we have that unique Denali grille, signature C-shaped LED headlamps, fog lights, chrome tow hooks, 20-inch alloy wheels, a 6.6-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert as well as the integrated turn signal indicator, chrome mirror caps and door handles, rear tinted windows, keyless entry, keyless start and remote start, running boards down below, a box side step, the rear window slider, and as we make our way toward the very back, you'll notice the corner step bumper. Those corner steps can be found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck has GM's easy lift and lower tailgate. I'm going to use our key fob, push the button twice to drop the tailgate down. It also has GMC's 6-way multi-pro tailgate. By pushing 2 additional buttons, we drop the tailgate step down with ease. The tailgate step also has the GMC Multi-Pro Tailgate Audio System by Kicker, along with the Multi-Pro Tailgate step lights. The box of the truck has a spray-in box liner with the Denali logo, the gooseneck 5th wheel package, 12 cargo hooks, LED lighting, and a power plug-in. Next, we'll take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. Our passenger door has power windows, door storage with a cup holder, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets, rear cup holders, heated rear outboard seats, USB ports, and a plug-in. The floor mats on the floor have a removable carpeted insert. Our middle seat folds down into dual cup holders or an armrest. Behind the seat storage can be found behind either one of those rear seats, as well as an under-seat storage compartment accessible by simply lifting those rear seats up. So come take a look at the 2023 GMC Sierra 3500 Denali HD, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfgmcbuick.com.